Ready to tackle the new school year? This premium back-to-school supplies kit is designed for high school and college students and comes packed with 79 essential pieces to help you stay organized and prepared. Inside the kit, you'll find 2 sturdy 1-inch 3-ring binders in black and blue, 5 paper folders with pockets, a 1-subject notebook, 2 3-subject notebooks, 2 packs of college-ruled filler paper, and a classic composition notebook. There's also a pack of index cards, 2 packs of sticky notes, 5 tab dividers, and a 12-inch ruler. When it comes to writing supplies, the kit includes 4 black pens, 4 blue pens, 2 red pens, 12 pre-sharpened number 2 pencils, 12 colored pencils, 6 mechanical pencils, 3 packs of 0.5mm lead refills, 4 pink erasers, 6 pencil top erasers, 4 highlighters, and a handy pencil pouch to keep it all together. Each item feels well made and built to handle the demands of a busy school schedule. It's a great choice for students, teachers, or anyone looking to donate quality supplies. This all-in-one set makes back-to-school shopping simple, with everything you need bundled in one convenient package.